Hi everyone, I am Linda Likely, owner of By Grace Tax Services, and I wanted to share with you guys our new online portal today. So I'm gonna share my screen. Okay, I wanted to show you guys the new online portal. Now our office will be doing taxes on the go, also taxes at our location of a new office that's coming up in 2022, and also this portal. We know a lot been going on during the pandemic, so you can actually do your taxes from home or on the go, on your cell phone, on your tablet, on your desktop, on your mobile devices. So this is our online portal, and you see our name, our logo, also taxes done by Independent Tax Pro. Also, you see that we offer tax planning, tax preparation, bookkeeping, small business services. The bookkeeping is bookkeeping setup right now. Also, you can see done by independent tax professional. So when you click on that, my internet is running slow. So give it a minute. Okay. Load is slow, you guys, but this is coming up. If you're not sure about doing your own taxes, it's time to hire a taxation. As many of you know, we will be doing tax preparation for self-employed, and make sure that you have to be a business that is a healthcare or home care agency, and also e-commerce that's retail or resale. So you can, a lot of women doing the Mary Kay, paparazzi, the Avon, and any e-commerce business. We welcome you all. Now I'm gonna go back. Okay, you can schedule an appointment from here. You click schedule an appointment when you're ready, and you can actually start scheduling now because the calendar. Tax preparation starts on January the 2nd, 2022. So we have the calendar on the site, so you can go ahead and start scheduling. That way you'll be able to get your appointment in before tax season, for everybody to start grabbing it. Now this is early tax preparation when you start scheduling, because we got to wait on the IRS to give us official date. And last year, you know, you guys, it was a later date. It was close to February when they started accepting tax returns. So we have to wait and see what the IRS, they already updating everything for 2022. Run a little slow, you guys. Okay, I wanted to show you that when you should see the free financial discovery call. That means to get more information about what we offer our services. 20 minutes virtual tax preparation. If you want to do the online portal, that is for 1 hour. So you click that. Tax preparation on taxes to go, meaning you in our local area, or else that you at our local office doing tax preparation. You're setting up appointment. Bookkeeping setup, you're setting up a bookkeeping appointment, it lasts an hour. Small business startup, also 30 minutes. So you should see all of that. And we also offer virtual tax preparation is going to be in all 50 states. Okay, you guys? I'm gonna clear that out. You should see if you want to create an account. If you're a client, you create an account. If you're scheduling an appointment, you want to schedule, you want to create an account. Also, you upload documents here. You should be able to upload with your name, your first and last name, on here, and it'll show you with the upload. However, if you don't have an account, I don't think that it will let you upload document like W-2 or whatever document you send. Put your email, your first and last name, you see select files that you want to add, and your mobile phone. And when you hit send, it will automatically go to me.